could achieve your goals in just 21 days. Why 21 days? Because it takes approximately 21 days to form a new habit or to change an existing one. This principle can also be applied to achieving goals, as this time frame is manageable and can lead to significant changes in your behavior and mindset. Step 1. Set clear and specific goals. Instead of vague aspirations like I want to get fit, specify that you will exercise for 30 minutes every day. Instead of saying, I will be the topper of my class this year, specify that you will improve your grades. So, my dear viewers, write down your goals, specify them, and visualize them. This creates a roadmap for your success journey. Step 2. Break your goals into smaller tasks. By breaking down larger goals into smaller and actionable steps, it becomes easy to achieve them. For example, if the goal is to read more, start by reading for just 10 minutes or 2 pages daily. I suggest you to create a daily checklist to track your progress on these smaller tasks. So, whenever you tick against a task, it will give you internal motivation. Also, by breaking down your larger goals into smaller ones, it declutters your mind and you don't over pressurize yourself. Step 3. Create a daily routine. Initially, I also thought that creating a daily routine is a boring task. But trust me, creating a daily routine helps you to integrate your important tasks in your daily life very easily. Because by creating a daily routine, you dedicate a specific time to the activities you have put down in your checklist. You don't have to think throughout the day what to do. By following your daily routine consistently, you will see that you have performed all the important tasks in the first half of your day. And in the later half, you can enjoy and pursue your hobbies. By creating a routine or schedule, you don't over pressurize yourself with work and you also get leisure time to refresh yourself. Step 4. Use accountability tools. As I have earlier said in the video, creating a daily routine and maintaining a daily checklist help you to achieve your goals easily. You can also use journals or apps to monitor your daily achievements. The above mentioned steps will be of no use if you don't track your progress daily. You can also find an accountability partner who can keep you motivated and on track throughout your journey. If you find boring to study alone, you can study in groups and each member of your group can track your progress and ask you whether you have completed your task on time or not. So use any accountability tool I have mentioned according to your need and preference. Step 5. Reflect and adjust. Viewers, you should periodically reflect on your progress, and if something isn't working for you, then it's okay to adjust your strategy, as flexibility can lead to better outcomes as you refine your approach based on what you have learned throughout the process. You can adjust the timing you have allotted for each activity as per your progress. So don't forget to reflect and watch your growth. Step 6. Celebrate milestones, as journey is more beautiful than the destination. So don't forget to celebrate the small victories along the way. Recognizing the progress boosts your motivation and reinforces the commitment toward your goals. For example, if I've solved a complex mathematical problem, I rewarded myself with a piece of chocolate. And if I score well in the MCQ test, I will treat myself with my favorite ice cream. So, celebrating your milestones can enhance overall enjoyment of the journey. So, the conclusion is you can achieve your goals in just 21 days. It is possible with dedication and the right approach. I invite you to share your goals in the comment section, and maybe you can find an accountability partner whose goal is aligned to your goal. You can also tell me which topic you want me to discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye.